Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Binance Google Authenticator step by step. Open the Binance app, sign in, then tap Security and choose Google Authenticator. Allow camera access, scan the QR code presented, and write down the backup key exactly as shown. Confirm the 6-digit code from the app to finalize setup and test login to ensure two-factor authentication works correctly and reliably. Start by granting the app camera permission so Google Authenticator can scan the Binance QR code. When the key appears, copy it exactly and store it offline, like in a locked notebook or encrypted file. Avoid digital photos or cloud notes without encryption. After saving the key, enter the generated 6-digit code into Binance to link your account, then test a logout and log in to confirm the two-factor setup functions correctly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear tutorials like this. Quick recommendation: I use a Kindle Paperwhite for easy reading during breaks and travel. It pairs nicely with focused setup sessions and notes. Check the description for the link and current deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Explain the recovery process and proactive security steps in a friendly tone. If you lose your phone, the backup key restores access with Google Authenticator, so keep it safe. Pair two-factor authentication with a strong, unique password and consider a withdrawal whitelist for added protection. For high-value accounts, a hardware security key provides another layer. Regularly review active devices and revoke any sessions you do not recognize for ongoing safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.